Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasaara. In the previous episode, we did the first and second step of Visharu Adavu. Today, we will be doing the third and fourth step of the same. Hope that you have did your second step, which was your homework. If you had any difficulty in doing that, please comment down below or mail me. The details will be in the description box below. So, in the third and the fourth step, we go right once, come back to center with your left, then move to left again, and then come back to center with your right. So, it goes right, left, then left again, and then right, then again right, left. It goes like that. Now, with your hands, you hold Kataka Mukha, lift your elbows up. Hold your core tight and then you go bang. When you step, you lift your hand up. Okay, look up, and then when you cross and then step on the side, your hand opens up. And then again bang, step, cross and come back to center. We will do it once with legs. So your Kataka Mukha opens up into Alapadma. Let's do it with our footwork. Go down, hold your aramandi, hold your core tight, and you go ta, step, cross onto the side. Vision stays there, and then again bang, step, cross, come back to center, and then left side bang, step, cross onto the side, and bang, step, cross, side. Now let's try the third step in all three speeds. Ta, ta, ka, ta, tai, tai, ta, dhe, tai, tai, ta, 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 tai, tai, ta, dhe, tai, tai, ta, ta, tai, tai, ta, dhe, tai, tai, ta, ta, tai, tai, ta, dhe, tai. In the fourth step, only the hand changes slightly. So, in the third step, we reached out till here, right? So, in the fourth, you drop it down. Okay, you bend from your waist. So, it goes bang, step, cross onto the side, and bang, step, cross, come back to center. Let's try it with our feet also. Hold your aramandi, go lower, and then you go ta, step, cross, side, dhit, step, cross, center, left side ta, tai, tai, tat, dhit, tai, tai, tat. Now, while doing the third and fourth step, one important thing to note is when you go on to the side in the third step, there is no bend. See to it that even if you bend, you don't bend that your hand drops. Your hand should stay here and you can bend sideways. This is one option. Or you can just keep it simple, just turn your head. Do not drop your chin down, look straight, centered, and then come back. Okay? And then in the fourth step, see to it that you bend sideways and do not drop it from front. So your shoulder remain squared, and then you come back to
center.
Now you can try the fourth step in all 3 speeds at your own. Hope that today's class was clear. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below or DM me on my Instagram handle. You can also mail me. The details will be in the description box below. In the next episode, we will be doing the 5th and 6th step of Visharu. And that will end the Visharu Adavu. Stay tuned for more episodes. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.